Hi, it's CHKBR. I'm doing a recap video and a box break of Topps Letterman. I recently purchased a box of Letterman and I really enjoyed the product, so I would like to show you what I got from that box and do another box. In my first pack I got a Frank Gore X-Fractor, numbered 1 of 25. A Tony Romo. In my second pack I got a Tony Romo X-Factor, numbered 16 of 25. In my third pack I got another X-Factor, and it is a Drew Brees X-Factor, and that is numbered 9 of 25. The hits were an Anquab Tillib, I don't know how to pronounce his name, that was numbered 12 of 35. I also got a Dexter Jackson Refractor autographed team logo patch, that is number 12 of 25. And the hit on the box, which is unautographed, is a Tom Brady Superfactor, that is numbered 1 of 1. And yesterday, at my card shop, I bought a pack of Leaf Limited, of 08 Leaf Limited. It was the last pack in the box, and I pulled a Tom Candio cut auto. It is numbered 38 out of 72. So I'm pretty happy with that. For a $12 pack of cards, not bad. Okay, now I'm going to do the box break. Hopefully I can set this up right so you all can see it, and I can see it. Might take me a minute to get everything situated here. Okay. I already cut a slit in there, so I can open this really quick like, because I don't want to use a lot of time. Alrighty. Drew Brees. Okay, first box, I'll start with the end. Stupid mobile phone. Okay. First pack, feels thin. On the back, we got a Lima Swede rookie card, a Torrey Holt Refractor, numbered 69 of 99, a Larry Johnson card, base card. There is a gouge on this back of this card. It's 18 of 75, and it is an autographed Jake Long rookie card. I have to send this back to to Topps because there's a gouge in the back of the card. Wow. Wowzers. Okay, next box, we'll go with the L. Another thin pack. It is not autoed, I don't believe. got an Andre Caldwell, which is like crap. It's 7 of 9. Not autographed, thank God. It is this is a letterman patch card of Cincinnati's Bengals receiver Andre Caldwell. It is a manufacturer patch, which sucks balls. This box is really crappy so far. I got a Jordy Nelson refractor card, and it is numbered 90 of 99. Last pack should be an auto. I hope it's a booklet, but I doubt it's going to be. Feels pretty light. It will be an autographed letter. I can feel it. Hopefully it's somebody nice. It looks like a Colt Brennan rookie. Yeah, that's pretty nice. I'm a Redskins fan. It is a refractor, and it's numbered 83 out of 99. Colt Brennan. Braylon Edwards, regular card. Here is the hit of the box. It is numbered 1 of 3. It is numbered 1 of 3. And it is a Barry Sanders autographed letterman patch auto. Hit of the box. Right there it is. X Factor. Sweet. That, my friends, is a keeper. Right there, Barry Sanders, 1 of 3. 1 of 3, X Factor, letter E, Barry Sanders. Thank you for watching.